And where do you see complexity and ideas for simplification?
Uh, a key aspect is combining electricity and heat. Right now,
Yeah,
these are completely separated.
yeah,
Now, the electrician really doesn't touch anything where water flows through, and the the installer really doesn't touch anything that has electricity if he can avoid it. Uh, it's really tough for customers. It makes it tough for customers. We have to think this as an integrated item, and I don't feel that if you have tried to build a house and you need some heating system and you want the electricity system, it is very complex to get that all done. You get like two quotes, 15 pages each from the one guy, the other guy, and then you need to somehow. There's nobody out there who can really make it super simple. Now
mm,
you see business models that are and companies that are trying to do this and approach it from the customer perspective, and 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 that is a big field for innovation. Don't you
yeah,
think this is all very complex if you start to look into this? It's a one-time purchase. I mean, you don't do this every year. You
yeah.
do this once in 20 years.
Yeah,
That's not something you read about and know about.
yeah.